The National Water Resources Board, or NWRB, continues to closely monitor the water level of Angat Dam, which remains low despite slight improvements brought by recent monsoon or habagat rains. NWRB Executive Director Sevilio David Jr. stated that the recent rainfall is insufficient for the dam to fully recover, underscoring the continued need for careful water management. While there is no immediate plan to reduce water allocation for Metro Manila and surrounding areas, authorities remain vigilant about potential weather impacts in the coming months. The board urged the public to conserve water by recycling, collecting rainwater, and being mindful of daily usage to help stretch the supply while the dams are in recovery.
Makapila po tayo sa mga kababayan po natin. Mas magandang magtipid po tayo, no? Mag-recycle, no? Hanggat maaari po, no? Kung may mga pagkakataon, mag-recycle at mag-ipon po ng mga tubig ulan at yun po mga paggamit natin na medyo bawas-bawasan po.